Okay guys, I recently got hold of this e90 323, but one of the issues that I got is the ticking noise. Can you hear that? Yes, that ticking is so annoying, especially when you are driving. This ticking goes up like making noise, and people will be like, oh, this car is fucked up. So what I did, I'm going to try this lithium moly hydraulic lift additive, because I've seen other people, they use these on their cars and pretty working very good. So now I want to test it out on this car. If this thing will go out, I think it can use it. Yes. So yeah, I think you can clearly hear it. Let me see how the what is the applications. They say ensure optimal functioning of the hydraulic tip surfaces, I think, or it's okay, suitable for all commercial applications, can be added independently of origin each of our corners. How do I do this? Okay, I'll just pour this thing while the engine is running and see how it goes. Alright, I've added the lifter additive. I haven't had any changes yet. So I see some other guy told me you have to drive for like a few minutes, then you have to come check it out. I'll take it for the drive, then I'll see how the lifters sound after this. But still nothing, no change yet.